This is a 2010 Subaru Forester, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we have to do is take the door trim off. We're going to start by removing this screw right here underneath this cover. Under the door pull, there's a little cover right here. We'll open that up, and underneath there is a Phillips head screw, and we have to remove that now. In the door pull area behind the window switches, you'll see a cover down here, and we have to open the cover, and you will see a Phillips head screw there. We have to remove that now. Next thing we have to do is to remove this switch panel right here. There is a little groove in the front that you can start your trim tool. That's the forward one. Alright, there it is. Now we can remove the connectors on the back of the switch. Here's the first connector right here. It's got a little release button on it. You'll get that out of the way. This is the second connector we have to remove. So release button right there. And we got that out. And there's our switch panel, all removed. Next thing we have to remove is these two Phillips head screws that were behind the switch panel. So we're going to remove those now. There's one. Here is the last screw. All the screws have been removed. Next thing we have to do is to remove this little cover right here. We can leave the wire connected onto it because that's not going to be in our way. Next thing we have to do is to remove the door trim panel. Alright, we got all the connections undone. We'll lift up on it. Alright. The trim panel is loose. Next thing we have to do is to release this connector that goes to the mirror. There's a little lock right here. Push that in and release the connector. Next thing we have to do is to remove these three 8mm headed screws that hold the mirror on. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on except this little piece right here on the weather stripping. So you want to make sure that's released. And the mirror has one little pin right there. See that? Hangs up a little bit there, but the mirror is all removed. Now to replace the mirror, just put that back there, line up that pin, put your little clip back on. After we get the wire through, we can put our bolts back in to hold the mirror on. The bolts are all tight. Now we can put our electrical connector back in for the mirror. Next thing we have to do is put the trim panel back in place, put the switch panel back in, and that's it. We'll have replaced our mirror on our Subaru Forester.